They build metal ships in the Gobi Desert, wanting to touch the stars while the people suffer here. They called it Luanya, the steel bird in the air, but it has no real wings, it doesn't know what love is. Babylon wants the sky, wants to dominate space, but forgets that the creator is the one who makes the sea break. They fly high, far from reality, trapped in ego, far from freedom. True Zion cannot be reached by rocket. Inner peace cannot be sold at a banquet. On Mars, they seek life on Pluto, but they kill the life that pulsates in our hearts. It's the science of men, blind and directionless. I and I prefer